Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore a very specific and interesting property of the isosceles trapezoid. Specifically, we will look at its diagonals and why they are congruent. First, let us quickly recall what a trapezoid is. A trapezoid is a four-sided shape, or quadrilateral, that has at least one pair of parallel sides. These parallel sides are known as the bases, while the other two sides are called the legs. Now, what makes a trapezoid isosceles? Just like an isosceles triangle, an isosceles trapezoid has symmetry. It is defined as a trapezoid where the non-parallel legs are equal in length. This means the left leg and the right leg are congruent. Let's identify the parts clearly. We have the top and bottom bases, which are parallel. We have the two congruent legs on the sides, and importantly, at the bottom, we have the base angles. In the diagram, these are the angles at vertices D and C. Before we talk about diagonals, there is a key property you must know. In an isosceles trapezoid, the base angles are equal. This means angle D is congruent to angle C, and angle A is congruent to angle B. We will use this fact shortly. So, what is a diagonal? A diagonal is simply a line segment that connects opposite corners. In our trapezoid, we can draw two diagonals, one connecting A to C and another connecting B to D. Here is the main theorem for this lesson. If a trapezoid is isosceles, then its diagonals are congruent. In mathematical terms, the length of the segment AC is exactly equal to the length of the segment BD. How do we prove this is true? We can do this by finding two overlapping triangles hidden inside the shape. Look at the red triangle, a DC, and the blue triangle, BCD. If we can prove these two triangles are identical, then their long sides must be equal. We can use the side-angle side rule. First, we know the legs are equal because it is isosceles. Second, we know the base angles are equal. And third, they both share the bottom base, DC. Therefore, by side-angle side, the triangles are congruent, which forces the diagonals to be equal. To summarize, remember these three things about an isosceles trapezoid. 1. The legs are equal. 2. The base angles are equal. And 3. As we just learned, the diagonals are always congruent. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.